Hey everyone! Google Sheets still hasn't added a native voice typing button directly in the toolbar. However, you can achieve a completely hands-free experience by using the Google Docs Bridge method. This allows you to dictate complex lists or data tables at the speed of speech, roughly 150 words per minute, and snap them into your spreadsheet in seconds. Step 1. The Google Docs Bridge, best for long lists. Google Docs has a dedicated AI voice engine that is more robust for continuous speaking. We use this when we have a lot of data to dump into a sheet at once. Open Google Docs. You don't even need to look through menus, just use the search menu or Alt+/ and type voice typing to launch it instantly. Click the microphone and start speaking. Use commands like comma to separate data points and new line to start a new row. Once finished, copy your text and paste it into your Google Sheet. If everything lands in one column, use Data, then split text to columns to organize it. Step 2. The Windows shortcut, best for direct entry. If you are on a Windows 10 or 11 PC, you don't actually need another app. You can dictate directly into any cell in Google Sheets using a built-in system shortcut. Click the specific cell in Google Sheets where you want your data to go. Then press Win+H on your keyboard. A small dictation toolbar will appear at the top or bottom of your screen. Start talking. Your words will appear in the cell in real time. To stay hands-free, you can say press Tab to move to the next column or press Enter to move to the row below. Windows 11 offers online speech recognition for better accuracy. Make sure this is toggled on in your system settings if the Win+H shortcut isn't responding. If you use the Windows method, look for the settings icon on the dictation toolbar and enable automatic punctuation. This prevents you from having to say period or comma every few seconds. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.